Hi there, after our introductory video, let's cover something that is more straightforward. Let's talk about how to install the MT4 trading station and also to install scoreboard ATM. You can either go to scoreboard website, download a demo account which is under here, FXDD MetaTrader platform, or perform an online registration if you are ready to open a live trading account. You can do all this through our scoreboard.com.sg website. Now if you can download from here a demo account, a very quick and straightforward download information pop-up box for you to save. Now you can always save it on the desktop or onto a special folder that you pre-create. It is always advisable to create under your C drive, and you create a folder called FXDD software, and in future you can always manage and administer all your software related in FXDD under this folder. So this is where you can download the trading platform and save it under FXDD. So once you save it, you will see a MT4 setup execution application like this, and just double click on it, it will run. Just follow the instruction. It's pretty straightforward. You can pre-create this folder instead of using the default program files. It is a lot easier to manage this in this way. Now once you have downloaded and run the application, you will see a platform that look like this. This is now a live chart based on 1 hour setting or based on 1 minute setting. You can download the demo account and play along with all the features on this trading platform. It's very user friendly. Now let's not spend too much time on the platform itself first. You will soon very often hear this word expert advisor. Now this is a terminology that has been created by MT4 platform. In other words, you can always use this expert advisor as a gateway for you to upload or save the indicators or trading programs onto the chart. So just remember, expert advisor, it's like an interface gateway where you can download and interface with the trading platform using a program. Pay attention first. It is very important that you want to have your trading program to run 24 hours from Monday to Saturday. You need to ensure that the live trading MT4 plus our program is hosted on a desktop computer, or you can choose to host it with a VPS service provider or a virtual private service provider. Basically what you need to ensure is 24-hour uptime and internet connectivity. Do not use notebook or laptop to run 24-hour round the clock, as our laptop is not designed for that. It is also okay to have concurrent login. You can have a set of your MT4 account from the server. You can also download another copy of that on your laptop. You can perform where you can have your server run 24 hours. You still can have a parallel logon or access from the laptop that you carry wherever you are. And from the laptop, you can actually create your own manual order, i.e. you can buy or sell through this way of login. Now always remember, our scoreboard program will not recognize any of your manual trades placed through your other way of login. Now let's go to something basic about how to install our scoreboard ATM. Now the scoreboard ATM can either be downloaded through our website or send as a attachment of email to you. I will show you how to save it under the export folder of MT4. So this is the platform, and in the right hand side and the left hand side here, you will see the list of expert advisor or the programs that you save into the folder. When a copy of attachment is being sent to you, you will be in this extension called EX4. Like for example, this copy here, scoreboard ATR. You can detach it from the email and save it under the folder called expert. You can perform a copy and paste in this particular folder and over here. Always remember, every time you download a new program, you need to shut down and restart your trading platform in order to activate the newly saved program. For example, in this case, after you have saved into the folder, you will start to see this particular program that appears here. Now on a simple right click attached to a chart, you allow live trading, click OK, and you know that your program is live running on this particular chart. You can always deactivate it by clicking on this button or turn on. As for the time being, do not go into the details of the program first. You can do the same thing for an indicator. Now there are lots of interesting indicators that you can download from a website and also from our scoreboard website. Let's take a look at this one. And we always have our indicator list under our download page. In this case, just click on the indicator list. Let's say we choose the center of gravity, the second one. You click on the download. Save it. Always remember, now you save it under expert, and because this is an indicator, you open the folder indicator and you save it in here. When this is done, you will realize that it is not showing up here because you need to close and restart your program. Let's do this. You can try by insert the indicator under custom, because that was a custom made indicator. Here you are, center of gravity. Once you click on it, and you can see these extra lines of indicators that appear on your chart. You can always use it on a different timing, and this is how simple and straightforward it can work for you. Alright, the next video we will be covering more details on the key and secondary factors of our scoreboard ATM parameter and strategies. Thank you.